Hey, sis. Anyway, what was that? What is that? And I do it again. Ugh. And I do it again. Bop, bop. Okay, wow. Whew. Okay. See, stay off Instagram. My mind is just a Rolodex of Instagram videos, TikToks, memes. Just pray for me. The point of the video. So today. What did I just say? All right. Try this again. So So in this video, I will be reviewing two palettes from Profusion Cosmetics. So this is the Neons and this is the Spectrum palette. Wait, let me hold it like this. I think it'll be a little bit better. So that's what they look like. So here are the two palettes. Let me see if I can lower the brightness so y'all can see them a little bit better. Okay, there we go. Turn it down. Okay, much better. So the top one is Neon and the bottom is Spectrum. Super pretty. Oh, get closer. This one right here is a shimmer, which I did use today. Oh, okay, slow down. There we go. Okay, so this is the look that I created with the Neons palette. Y'all, I would be lying if I said this is my first time using these palettes. It's not. So this is my first Spectrum palette. As we can see, she is well loved and well used. So yeah, the light blue is completely gone. I mean, I had to get a backup because I really do like this palette. It is worth the money. I think from Walmart it's only like anywhere from $5 to $7, but she's that girl. Just make sure you use a good base because they are very powdery. I will tell you that. They have a lot of fallout. Actually, this time I didn't get a whole lot of fallout, but still, like this, the very light blue is called Bermuda, which is this one right here. Had a lot of fallout, and that's why I basically used her up because, like I said, she has a lot of fallout. So the more fallout you have, the faster you're gonna go through your eyeshadows, unfortunately. But anyways, let's jump into this look. It's very easy. I really like these colors because I wasn't too sure of what I was gonna do because I only get one shimmer, and this shimmer is so pretty. It's called Psych. It is so pretty. It's a chartreuse. I don't know why I'm closing this eye. I should be closing this eye. But it's a really pretty chartreuse, shimmery chart. Okay, hopefully we're not talking about charts. A shimmery chartreuse color. And this is one layer. I'm thinking about going over it again with some NYX glitter primer. And then another layer of the eyeshadow. But I'm not too sure. But it's really pretty. So for my bottom lash line, I think I'm going to do Heat Wave, which is this really pretty red right here. Just so I can use more colors from the palette because this palette is really nice. I really like it. So, done enough talking. I'm gonna go. are no words. Just look. You're welcome. I mean, that's really all I can say is you're welcome. This one piece of hair is just not cooperating with me. But anyways, can we pause for a second for my skin? Buttery and smooth, baby. Buttery and smooth. I'm working hard on my skin, and it's textured, but we don't have all that hormonal acne going on down there, giving me lumps and bumps and divots and pits and stuff. We got it together. She looks good. Amen. Ooh. Let me give you a close up on the eye. So, for the eye, I did add the Urban Decay Heavy Metal, glitter liner in Pyro, which I've showed y'all this before, and I've used it in plenty of my looks. But, I mean, obviously you can't see because of that light. Let me see if I can adjust and get some of that glitter. Oh, you can see a little bit of it. It's blue, purple, pink, gold, orange, all types of colors in there. Alright, so for lips, I used NYX lip liner in dark brown. I used this clear gloss. I also used this Ulta Beauty vinyl lip gloss. It's from the Black Widow collection. I don't know the name of it because it doesn't have the sticker on it. And then I used the Perfect Tone matte lip cream from Black Radiance. There's no name for this product. All it has is 5403 at the bottom, as you can see right there, but that's what she looks like. So that is the lip. The highlight, I've been using the same highlight. Why is it so? Can we bring it down? I need y'all to see the melanin. Because she's there. She's thriving. She's beautiful. Like her magic. Period. Anyway. So yeah, this is the highlight that I've been using. It's a BH Cosmetics Diamond Dazzler in the color Radiant. It's just a loose pigment. I've been obsessed with it lately. And yeah, that is it for lashes. You know, I'll put that on the screen. And do you see the nose cuff? She made this one as well. I made like so many of them. I got this urge to make a bunch of nose cuffs at like 2 o'clock in the morning. Like no cap. I really did make a bunch of nose cuffs in the wee hours of the morning, but we won't get into that. Yeah, I added some bottom lashes. These bottom lashes, I believe, are from Kiss. Yes, they're from Kiss Lashes. Did I get everything? Oh, I added some little freckles. That's it. So, the palette, I mean, I'm sure you probably already know my opinion on the palette. I like the palette. I told y'all I have used the Spectrum palette. It is well loved, well used, and I do recommend these palettes. The next look that I'm going to be doing is going to be with the Spectrum palette, but I most likely will be just using my old one because it makes no sense. Unless I want to use that light blue, then obviously I'll use the new one, but I'm just going to be dipping into my old one because it makes sense, right? Right. Okay. So yeah, like I said a little while ago, I believe earlier in the tutorial, there's a lot of fallout. I'm sure you can see all of that right here. There, I've made a pretty nice divot in the pink, which is called Like. I made a little divot in this one. Is called Seriously. Right. But yeah, so if you're the type of person that does your eye makeup before your foundation, you'll be fine. But if you do your foundation before your eyeshadow, I wouldn't recommend doing that with this palette because you will have a lot of fallout and you're gonna get it all mixed in with your foundation and concealer and all that, unless you put down a loose powder, like some loose translucent powder. Put that down on your cheeks and over your nose and all that, and you'll be fine. But I recommend doing your foundation after eyes. But yeah, that's it. That's this. I'm sorry, I keep looking at myself, but it's so pretty. I'm kind of obsessed with this cut crease too, like this half moon or a semicircle. and then doing and having no brow bone highlight like my normal brow bone highlight, and just go straight in with color. But look at this blend though. It's so pretty. That's just 2 eyeshadows. And I didn't even really use a beauty blender. Well, I would hope not. I didn't use a blending brush. All I did was tap. So I'm telling y'all, don't skip on the, well, okay. I don't know about all of the Profusion palettes, but the ones that I do have, they're good. So next time you're at Walmart, pick these up. I mean, they're only like $5 or $6. So if you don't like it, you won't be wasting too much money. But look at me. There is no money wasted. But you know what you gotta do? You gotta stay tuned, because there's a whole nother look after this. And you know you're gonna want to see both looks. Don't worry. I'll wait. Oh, you're still here. Oh, yeah, like I knew you were gonna be. Girl, if you don't sit there and watch the next look, don't play with me like that. Bye, girl. She did that. She did that. Yes. Period. So, final verdict on the palettes. Obviously, I like them. I mean, come on now. Look at that pigmentation. Look at the blend. $5 from Walmart? Come on. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. Come on now. Oh, almost forgot. Highlight is still the same as the BH Cosmetics Diamond Dazzler and Radiant. It's pigment. For lips, I used not Profusion, Palladio dark brown lip pencil. No, it's an eyeliner, not a lip pencil. Palladio dark brown eye pencil. Then I used the LA Colors matte liquid lip color in suede. That's what it looks like. Oh, the eyeliner that I used for the eyes, which I'm sure you've seen it before. It's the Epic Wear from NYX. It's in white, obviously. Don't get the one in the all white packaging from NYX. It is not good. Get this one in the all black packaging. Trust me, you're welcome. The clear gloss that I use is from MAC. No, I did not say MAC. That says Max. Max Makeup Sherry Moya Lip Polish. I don't know. It's clear gloss from the hair store. And then underneath the clear gloss, I use MAC's Lip Gloss in See-Through, which I need some more of. Lashes, I'll put that on the screen. Anything else I didn't mention, it'll probably be on the screen or in the description box. But anyways, that's it. That's it. I'm done. I'm sorry. I know you want to see more of me, but I have to end the video. Stay in your lane. Mind your business. Please drink some water. Please. You gotta have healthy skin, darling. And healthy gut. Drink some water. Black Lives Matters. Stop Asian hate. I don't know what's wrong with y'all in these streets. Leave people alone. Please, mind your business. Leave people alone. And you better be taking them vitamins. Oh, social distance yourself and wear a mask. Please. Wear a mask. Please.